Friction failures cost medical device manufacturers time, money, and compliance headaches. As devices become smaller and tolerances tighter, controlling friction becomes even more challenging. For many manufacturers, the answer is a PTFE dry lubricant. Duraglide Dry Lubricant reduces actuation force by 25 to 30%, helping manufacturers address friction challenges created by tight tolerances, miniaturization, and advanced materials. Any medical device with surfaces that slide, pivot, rock, or twist is subject to friction. In precision medical device assemblies, stacked tolerances can make friction difficult to predict and control. Reducing friction helps improve device performance, reduce wear, and support manufacturing consistency. So what is Duraglide Dry Lubricant? It is a medical-grade dry lubricant that contains ultra-fine PTFE particles suspended in a non-flammable carrier fluid. PTFE is widely used in medical device applications for its exceptionally low coefficient of friction. When Duraglide dries, it leaves behind a thin PTFE film that lowers actuation force, reduces wear, and improves assembly consistency. The fine, uniform PTFE particle size is what produces the smooth, consistent coating that reduces friction so effectively. Duraglide is ISO 10993 tested and certified. It's plastic safe, non-migrating, and designed for medical device application. Unlike silicone lubricants that migrate and contaminate, it stays exactly where you apply it. For high-volume production, most manufacturers use dipping, spraying, or wiping. Components coated with Duraglide fit together more easily, speeding assembly and reducing forces required for consistent actuation. The result: fewer problem runs, less rework, and lower per-unit manufacturing costs. Duraglide ships ready to use. No mixing, no guesswork. Clean parts are essential before coating, helping Duraglide bond evenly and consistently. Duraglide XF is the established formulation for qualified friction reduction. Choose Duraglide HI when superior sustainability, worker safety, and compatibility with sensitive plastics are priorities. Concentrations from 0.5% to 10% and custom formulations are available. It's cleanroom compatible, requires minimal equipment, and is backed by microcare application expertise. Duraglide is hostile to bioburden and compatible with ETO, ultrasonic and radiation sterilization. If friction is affecting device performance or consistency, choose Duraglide Dry Lubricant for microcare expertise in formulations, regulatory support, and manufacturing applications. To learn more or discuss your application, visit microcare.com/MDM.